of you noticed that I have a coil gun, and how I made that is just with a normal caulk gun, 1.5" PVC piping, and an end cap. Now I have the blue one. This part here, this round piece of metal, is what needs to fit in your 1.5" PVC piping. I did notice that the red one, this is the one I use for any like actual, what you're supposed to use these for actual caulking of around windows trim, those types of things. This piece is a little too tight and does not slide in very nicely in here. The blue one is the one that I found that works the best. You're gonna get a piece of 1.5" PVC piping. If you have the tools to cut it at home, you can cut it yourself. Some hardware stores will cut it for you, so cut it to a length of about 7 inches. That will give you enough space when this is retracted all the way back, like that. It'll give you enough space to get it in there. Otherwise, sometimes if you cut it too long, it can kind of get jammed up in there and it's just a pain in the butt. So that will fit inside there. I usually stick my finger over the front and compress the clay in there, get a nice build up, and then you can start compressing the clay out. When you use it, there will be clay build up on the inside. The clay squeezes out past that metal disc there. What I do is I just set it out to dry. When it dries, I don't drop it like that. Tap it on the edge of my slop bucket and it falls right into the slop bucket. That's how I clean it out. So what you're going to do then is you're going to take a drill bit and you're going to actually drill into here. I would suggest putting this onto a piece of wood, drilling down from the inside here. That way it's not slipping off and getting your fingers. If you do it this way, it might jump off. So you're going to drill your holes. I have 2 set up, one at 5/8 for larger mugs and one at 1/2 inch for my regular size 12-ounce mugs. So essentially I'm just shooting a coil out and I'm just using this little roller here to roll it flat or the thickness that I want it to get the shape that I want to it. Hope that helps. If you have any other questions, let me know, and good luck making your end.